Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy S10 to the TV. While the S10 does already have an impressive screen perfect for viewing content, you may find yourself wanting to connect it to a TV to get a better viewing experience. There are a number of different approaches you can take, however in this video we'll be focusing on the USB-C to HDMI adapter method. For this you'll be needing a HDMI cable and of course a USB-C to HDMI adapter. While there are many options out there on the market, we'll be using the official accessory from Samsung. It offers you a superior 4K viewing experience and you're also able to be set up with no hiccups as it's the official accessory. To begin with, take the HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI port on the back of your TV. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the USB-C to HDMI adapter before connecting the adapter to your phone. You may find your phone connects automatically, however depending on your TV you may need to go into the source menu and select the appropriate source. In most cases you may find this triggers Samsung Dex, which allows you to use your S10 as though it's a desktop computer. You have the option to use your handset as a trackpad, allowing you to navigate through files, web browsing and watching your favourite videos. One benefit of this is you always have a computer in your pocket when you're out on the go. To trigger the screen mirroring feature, scroll down from the top and select Switch to Screen Mirroring. This will allow you to mirror your phone and view exactly what you're seeing on your handset. Mirroring your S10 screen is perfect for playing games, browsing the web or showing off your holiday snaps, as well as watching your favourite video services like YouTube, BBC iPlayer and even Netflix, which works seamlessly with this process. While there are other ways to view content from your phone on your TV, I believe this is the best way, offering the easiest setup and the most comprehensive experience possible. That's all we have for this video. If you have any questions, please do comment them below. For more information or to purchase the adapter we used in this video, links will be in the description and comments.